Good morning. This is lesson 14, finding zeros. All right, finding zeros, this is real simple. Finding zeros, what it means by finding the zeros is it means find the x-intercept. I did not spell that right. X-intercept. There we go. Okay. Long morning. Finding the x-intercepts is easy. There's a couple of different ways to do it. 3 different ways. First, you're going to have your graph. Okay. You may have a line that looks like this. Okay. What it means by an x-intercept is it means where does it cross the x-axis. Remember that the x-axis is this horizontal axis on our coordinate planes. If I want to find the x-intercept, I find it where it crosses right here, and I just see what that point's going to be. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that point is -4, 0. If it gives it to you as a graph, you write it as a coordinate pair. X-intercept is -4, 0. You may have graph that looks like this. How many x-intercepts are you going to have? You're going to have 2. You've got one here and one here. So for this one, x-intercept is -1, 0, because 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's 7, 0. You may have some odd ones. They may start out like this. With this kind of line, I've got 4 x-intercepts, or 4 zeros. One is right here, and it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So -8, 0, -2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 0. Okay. Now, with graphing, it's that easy. So, the other top, you're going to have an equation and it's going to be in function notation. And how's this read again? This is read as f of x. So you've got your equation. F of x is equal to 4x minus 8. What you're going to do to these equations is you're going to take f of x and you're going to replace it for 0. Okay. So 0 is equal to 4x minus 8. Now this is just a 2-step equation like we were doing last week. Okay. I build my wall. I want to solve for x. I take the constant, -8. And I'm going to add it to both sides of the wall. I don't want to confuse you with that line. 0 plus 8 is 8 equals to 4x. When 4 and x are together like this, they're multiplying, so we divide. 8 divided by 4 is 2. X is equal to 2. My x-intercept, though, would be 2, 0. Gotta write it as a coordinate pair. Same thing if I'm given another equation. F of x equals 2x plus 2. replace f of x for 0, 2x plus 2. I build my wall, solve for x. Subtract 2 to both sides, negative 2 is equal to 2x. To get x by itself, 2 and x are multiplying, I have to divide. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1 is equal to x. There's my answer. But as a coordinate pair, negative 1, 0. Okay? So your equations, you're going to work out the same way. There's a third way, which you can use your calculator. And for these, if you haven't done this already on your Chromebooks, you need to go to my virtual classroom. Okay, you can find that at the top of your Classworks tab under the Google Classroom. Go to it, click on the calculator. There's a link to the calculator, okay? And all you need to do there is you need to hit y equals, type in your equation, hit graph, and then you solve it like the first ones that we just did a second ago, okay? You can also work them out like we are here, but graphing calculator makes it easier, okay? If you have questions about that, join the Google Meet in the morning, and I will give a presentation with the calculator on there and try to make more sense of it, okay? Have a great day, guys.